So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to send private reply on Facebook for new comment on Facebook page automatically. So in this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook page post, automatically we are going to generate a reply for that comment as a message using AI tools like OpenAI. And after generating the reply as a message, we are going to send the same message to the person as a private reply who has posted the comment on our Facebook page post. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up this automation all by yourself, for that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new comment on any post of my Facebook page, automatically a private message related to their comments reply will be sent to the person, to the user who has posted the comment. So let's take an example of this post. We have this post over here. Now as a user, I will be posting a comment on this Facebook page. Let's say I'm asking for, please share some tips related to landscaping. So this is the comment I'm going to post over here. Now as I post this comment, you can see automatically within few seconds, a reply will be received from this page to the user who has posted the comment. And yes, here you can see the user who has posted the comment, a reply from the same page is received over here. And in this reply, you can see it is the same thing which the user was asking. Hi Michael, the name of the person who had posted the comment. Thank you for reaching out. Here are some quick landscaping tips. So here you can see we have some tips related to landscaping which the user was asking for. And also we have mentioned our email address where they can contact us. And we also have a button in this message as well. So you can send different types of messages to the person who are posting the comments. Now you must be thinking how I actually did this. So we have used an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. Now to access Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Now if you are new to Pabbly, by clicking on sign up free, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you are an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And after clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And here we have to create an automation workflow. Click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So I would like to name my workflow as send direct message for new comment on Facebook page. You can give any other name of your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create this automation and click on create. Now as you click on create, here you can see the workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So that whenever we are going to receive a new comment on any post from any user on our Facebook page, we will get the details of that comment in our Pabbly Connect workflow and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the same comment to AI tools like OpenAI or Google Gemini, and we are going to generate a message for the same comment reply. And after that, using the same automation, we are going to send the message generated by AI platforms like OpenAI or ChatGPT to the same person who has posted the comment as a direct message on Facebook. So let's see how it is done. Starting in our trigger window in Choose App, we will search for Facebook Pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook Pages, in Trigger Event from this drop-down, we are going to select the trigger event as New Comment. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. So here we have to connect our Facebook page account or Facebook account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Now because we have logged into our Facebook account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and we will just click on this continue button and we will see as we click on continue, our Facebook Pages account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the next thing it asks us is Facebook page. So in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Out of all of this, for which particular Facebook page we want to set up this automation, the new comments from which page we want to receive inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, we have to select that. So the name of my Facebook page is Green Pro Landscaping. For this page, I want to set up this automation. So I'll just search for the same page and select it over here. After selecting our Facebook page, we have some important note over here as well, which says to get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as a filter step and configure the following fields to filter. Filter based on verb equals to add and item equals to comment. It's worth noting that webhooks are generated for comments on add post too. To avoid potential looping when responding to a comment in the next action, it's important to filter the webhook based on the res from ID to ensure it's not equal to the owner's account ID. So this important note is telling us that this particular trigger will capture the response for multiple events. Like whenever some user is going to post a new comment, we will get the response, we'll get the trigger event. Whenever some user is going to update or delete their existing comment, we will get the response in that case as well. And if the page owner or the Facebook page is going to post the reply for those comment as well, this trigger is going to capture those responses too. But in all of these cases, we don't want to send the message to the person who has posted the comment. We only want to send the message when we receive a new comment from some other person on our Facebook page post. So this important note is asking us to add some kind of filters in the next step, which we are going to see in a couple of minutes. But right now what we have to do, we just have to click on this save and send test request button. And after clicking on save and send test request, it has now changed to waiting for webhook response. So this means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response of a new comment from our Facebook page. So let's do it. I will just go to my Facebook account and from some other user other than my Facebook page, I am going to post a comment in one of my Facebook page posts. Let's take an example of this particular post which we have. Now here I want to post a comment as, for example, can you share some tips on gardening? So this is the comment which I'm going to post over here. So let's post this comment, and after posting a comment, because we have received a new comment on our Facebook page post, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see we have received the details of that exact same comment. We have the date and time, that at what date and time the comment was received. Then we have the link of the Facebook page post and the link of the comment as well. We have the name of the person who has posted the comment. We have the from ID as well, the unique ID of this person's account. We'll scroll down further, and here we have the post ID, that on which particular post we have received the comment. Then in front of message, you can see the exact same comment which the user has posted. Then after that, once again, we have the post ID, and also we have the comment ID over here. That what is the unique ID of this comment for which we are going to send the direct message. After that, we have the res1 item as comment, that we have received this response for a new comment. Because using the same trigger, you might be getting the response for the likes, dislikes or shares as well. And here in res1 verb, we have the response as add. This means a new comment is added over here. We have received the response because a new comment is added. So in this way, the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed, where we have successfully captured the response of a new comment from our Facebook page in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step. Now to ensure that this automation should work only when a new comment is received by some other person, in the next step, we have to set up the filter as mentioned in this important note. And setting up the filter is very simple process. We will just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, we are just going to select filter by Pabbly over here. Then in action event, select filter values and then just click on connect. After clicking on connect, here it is going to ask us for the filter conditions. So here in select label, in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook in the trigger step for a new comment. Out of all of this, we have to select the labels on which we want to set up this filter condition. So the important note told us that we have to set up the filter condition on res1 verb and res1 item. So we are going to select the label as res1 verb, and as per the help text, it should be equals to add. So we are going to write add in front of value. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be add. Then because we want to add another condition, just click on this add condition, add and condition. And then we are going to select the second label. From the drop down, select the second label as res1 item, which should be equals to comment. So we have created this filter condition that whenever a new comment will be added, only in that case, the automation will be continued after this step. But as per the important note, we have to add another condition where we have to mention that the from ID of the person who has posted the comment, this from ID which we have received should not be equals to our own Facebook page's ID or our own account ID. So where we will get the account ID? Here in the response of post ID, the ID which you have before this underscore, this is your from ID. This is your unique ID of your Facebook page. So this is our from ID. This is the unique ID of our account, our Facebook account. And we have to set up a filter condition that this from ID should not be equals to this unique ID which we have. So we will just copy this ID before the underscore in post ID. We will go to the filter condition and we are going to add another and condition over here. This time the label will be from ID and the filter type will be does not equals to. And we are going to paste the exact same account ID of our Facebook page over here. So we have created this filter condition where we have set up the filter condition as the verb should be added, the item should be comment. This means the comment should be added and the comment should not be added by this user. Basically, the comments which we are posting as a reply should not be considered or used in this automation workflow. So in this way, you have to set up this filter condition, and after setting up the filter condition, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, it is showing us the condition is true. Because in the trigger step right now, we have captured the response of a new comment being added by some other user. So this filter is also working perfectly fine. If you have any kind of doubts or problem while setting up this filter, here in the important note, you can just click on this Learn More button and it will take you to this page on our forum. And at this page, you can see all the details related to the filter condition which you are supposed to create over here. Now after this, we will move to the next step. So we have successfully added the filter condition and now we want to generate a reply as a message for the comment which we have received on our Facebook page post. So for that, just click on this Add Action Step button over here and then here in Choose App, search for OpenAI or any other AI platform using which you want to generate the message. Then after that, in Action Event from the drop-down, select ChatGPT and then just click on Connect. Select Add New Connection. And now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. So to get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the left sidebar, go to this API keys section. After coming to API keys, click on this Create New Secret Key button and give this key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Facebook Comments. You can basically give any name to your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you want to generate the key, select the permission as all and click on Create Secret Key button. As you click on Create, here you can see a new secret key is generated for my OpenAI account. The API key is generated. Copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. Now as we click on Save, we will see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the AI models offered by OpenAI for ChatGPT. Out of all of this, you can select any model of your choice. Let's say I want to select GPT-4o, the latest AI model from OpenAI which was recently released. I want to use this model to generate the message. So I've selected that. After selecting the AI model, it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the actual prompt we want to give to ChatGPT to OpenAI to generate the content or to generate the message. So I have already copied the prompt. Let me paste it over here. So this is the actual prompt which I want to give to ChatGPT to generate the message which we will be sending as a direct message. The prompt is, I'm providing the comment I received on my gardening and landscaping business Facebook page named Green Pro Landscaping. Write a reply to this comment as a message, as I'm going to send that message as a DM to the person who commented on the post. Do not add anything extra in the response because I'm going to send the exact same message to the user on Facebook. If someone asks to contact us, mention that they can send us an email at this email address. Please make sure that total length of the message does not exceed 600 characters. And after that, we are going to mention the name of the person who has posted the comment to make the message personalized and also the comment which they have posted. Now we have received both of these details from the trigger step in the Facebook page new comment trigger. So here we have the name of the person who have posted the comment and also we have the message over here. So in this way, in this same prompt, we are going to add both of these details. Now I have created a prompt like this, but if you want, you can add some other details in this prompt. You can just change the prompt and enter the prompt according to the message which you want to send to the person. Now to add the name of the person and the comment over here in this prompt, we will be using a process called mapping. So we will just click on this field over here of prompt, and here in front of this name of the person who commented, in this drop down you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from previous 2 steps. So from the responses of Facebook page, we will be selecting the response of the name of the person and it will be mapped. After that, we will just click on this over here in front of comment, and from the drop down from Facebook pages trigger responses, we are going to select the response of the message and map it over here. In this way, whatever name or whatever message or the comment we will be receiving on our Facebook page, the same response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and using this automation, we are going to mention the same name of the person who have posted the comment and the actual comment in this prompt. After entering the prompt and mentioning the name and the comment of the person, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received the response. And in this response in front of message content, you can see we have received the actual message which is generated by OpenAI for the same prompt which we have given. So we have given the name of the person and also the comment of the person which they have posted on our Facebook page. And according to that, it has basically generated this message over here. And now what we have to do, we have to send this same message which is given by OpenAI to the person who has posted the comment as a DM, as a direct message on Facebook. So the message which we have received from OpenAI says, "Hello Michael, thank you for reaching out and showing interest in Green Pro landscaping. We are excited to share some gardening tips with you. Here are a few quick tips." And here you can see we have mentioned, or the OpenAI has mentioned the tips over here. If you have more questions or need specific advice, feel free to email us at this email address. So using OpenAI, we have basically generated a message as well. Now to send this message to the same person, we will scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. And then here in Choose App, once again, we are going to search for Facebook pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook pages, here in the next step, in the action step, we have to select the action event as Send a Private Reply. We have to select this particular action event. Then just click on Connect. And because we have connected our Facebook pages account, our Facebook account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection over here. You can just select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see once again our Facebook pages account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the next thing it asks us is the page, that from which particular page account we want to send the message to the user, to the person who have posted the comment. So in this drop down, once again, you can see a list of all the pages which we have in our Facebook account. Out of all of this, we have to select the same page on which we have received the message, that was Green Pro Landscaping. So we are going to select that page over here. Then after that, here in reply to recipient, we have 2 options in the drop down, to post ID or to comment ID. So on what basis we want to send the message to the user. Now here we have 2 options. Using this action, what you can do, if some user shares any new post on your Facebook page, in that case as well, if you want, you can send a direct message to the same person. Or if someone posts a new comment on any post of your Facebook page, in that case too, you can send a direct message. So on what basis we want to reply to the user, to which user we want to reply, who has shared the post or who has posted the comment. So we want to basically send a message to the person who has posted the comment. So we are going to select to comment ID over here. Then after that, it is asking us for the post ID or comment ID, whatever we have selected. So we have received the comment ID in the trigger step responses from Facebook pages. So here in trigger response, you can see we have received this comment ID over here, that for which particular comment we want to send the message. And we are going to map the response of same comment ID over here in this Send a Private Reply action step. And the process of mapping is very simple, as you can see. Just click on this field. From the drop down from Facebook pages responses of the trigger of new comment, select the response of comment ID and it will be mapped over here. In this way, we are mentioning that the reply or the message which we are sending is for which particular comment. Then it is asking us for the message. And this is the most important part. So while sending the message to the person who has posted the comment on our Facebook page, we have different types of templates or different types of messages offered by Facebook. So in the help text, you can see there is a hyperlink of message template. Just click on it and open it in a new tab. And here at this page of message templates, you can see there are different types of template, different types of messages which we can send. We can send a button template, a message with a button. We can send a custom template. We can send a customer feedback template message as well. We can send a generic template message. We can send some media or some images in the message which we are sending. We can share some product from the Facebook product catalog, or we can send some kind of receipt in the template message as well. So here you can see all of these types of messages which we can see. You can basically refer to this page and check that what kind of message you want to send to the person who is posting the comment. Right now in this video, we are just going to keep it simple and we are going to send a simple button template message. So while sending a button template message, you will just open this page over here, and here you can see we have to basically send this kind of body. Now here in this field of message, what we have to do, whatever kind of template message you want to send, you just have to open it, you just have to go to its page, and here in example request you can see after message colon, here you can see we have the complete body of this message. So what you have to do, whatever type of message you want to send, you have to actually copy the message body over here. Just copy the message body from here, go to Pabbly Connect workflow and paste it over here. Now here you can see this particular message body is not in a proper format. So let me format this body once. Okay, so now I have formatted this body over here, this JSON body, and it is pretty easy to read now. And if you're seeing this JSON body, there is nothing to worry about. It is not at all very technical. It's not at all complex. I'll just explain everything to you. We just have to copy paste and replace the things which we want to change in this example JSON body. So for every type of template which is offered by Facebook, you will get this example request. And in the example request, after message colon, whatever you have till the second last curly braces, you just have to copy it and paste it over here in the message section. And here in this JSON body, you just have to make some changes as per your requirement, as per the message which you want to send. So here what we are doing, we have selected the message type or the template type as button template. So we will be sending some kind of buttons with the message which we are sending to the person on Facebook. So here the attachment type is template. We are using a template, and the payload type is, or the template type is button. Now here it is asking us for the text. So here in front of text colon in double quotes, whatever text, whatever actual message we want to send, we have to enter it. So I'll just clear this default response, and here in middle of or in between of these double quotes, we are going to enter the exact same message which was given by OpenAI. So we will just click here, and from the drop down from OpenAI responses, we are going to select the response of message content and we are going to map it. So here in the between of these two double quotes in front of text, we have entered the actual message. After entering the actual text message, here comes the next step of buttons. Now here in button, we have the button type as web URL because we are going to add basically some kind of URLs or links in the button as well. So what is the actual URL you are adding? By default, the actual URL is of messenger.com, but if you want, you can just change it. Let's say I'll change the URL as pabbly.com/connect. Here in the URL section, whatever URL, whatever link you are going to enter, on the same URL, on the same link, the person will be redirected when they click on this button. And then after URL, it is asking us for the title, that what will be the title of this button. The title basically means what text will be written in place of that button. So whatever title you want to basically enter, you can enter it. Let's say I want to make the title as Visit Pabbly Connect. So this is the title which I want to give, which I want to add in the button. So in this way, whatever template type, whatever type of message you want to send, you can just select the template of that message over here from this page offered by Meta for developers. And by just copying the text or the JSON body after the message till the second last curly braces and adding it over here, you can just make the changes in this JSON body and that type of message you can send. It is not at all complex. You don't need any kind of coding skills or technical knowledge. You just have to copy the message section, the JSON body from the page over here and paste it over here and replace the content, replace the text, replace the button URL and the title of the button as per your requirement. So what we have done, we have just entered our message in front of text. We have entered the URL on which we want to redirect the person in front of URL, and we have just changed the title of the URL of the button as well. And after entering the JSON body and replacing the text or the content as per our text and the content like the link and the URL, just click on this Save and Send Test Request button. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. In this response, in front of data, you can see the actual JSON body which we have created over here. And if you have received this response of REST3 message ID, then this means that it is a positive response. And we have successfully sent this message, this button message, to the person who has posted the comment on our Facebook page post. And we have sent the same message, the same text message which was given by OpenAI. And in the message, we have also added a button with the text visit Pabbly Connect, and this is the link to which that button takes the user to. So it is a positive response, as you can see over here, because we have received this response of press3 message ID over here. Now, after getting this response, let's check it. We will just go to the Facebook account, and yes, here you can see the person has received the message from the page over here. So we have received, the user has received a message from the same person, from the same page on which they have posted the comment. We have the actual message which was given by OpenAI. We have sent the same message to the user, and also in this message, because we have selected the template of the message as the button type, here you can see a button is added. The button text is visit Pabbly Connect, the same button text or the same text below the button which we have added over here. And if the user will click on this button over here, it will take the user to the same link which we have added over here in this URL field of this template message. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever we are going to receive a new comment on our Facebook page, automatically we will be sending different types of messages to the person who have posted the comment. So we have different options of sending the template message: button messages, customer feedback, custom templates, media, product receipt, and all of that. So you can just refer to this page and select the type of the message which you want to send. Just copy the JSON body after message for that particular template type and replace the data, replace the text, URL, title, and all of these details with your details which you want to add. Now, after setting up this automation with Pabbly Connect, we are going to test this automation workflow in real time. We will just go back to our Facebook page and we are going to post another comment on some other post this time. Let's say we have this post over here. Let's post a comment as, for example, how can I contact you? So this is the comment which I'm posting on my Facebook page. Now, as the comment is posted, we will see within few seconds, the user who has posted the comment will receive a message. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and yes, here it is. We have received a message which says, "Hi Michael, thank you for reaching out to us. You can contact us by sending an email to contact@pabblytudes.com. We look forward to assist you with your gardening and landscaping needs. Best regards, Greenpo Landscaping." So you can see the OpenAI has generated a message according to the comment which they have posted, and we have received, the user has received the same message instantly. And in this message, we have the button, the same button. As the person clicks on this button, you can see they can be redirected to the same URL which we have added over here in the Pabbly Connect automation workflow. So we have tested this automation in real time, and this automation is working perfectly fine for now. Now, whenever we are going to receive any comment on Facebook page, automatically we can send a direct message to the person who has posted the comment. It's not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.